station identification. I drove that Charger. That thing's freaking sweet.
You did a lot of the custom fiberglass work. So that, the audio in the trunk. Yeah.
Got some bikes. The Lotus all the way up on top of the hill, and I'm not going all the way up there. Put my arms out, I can be Chow Yun Fat. Oh my God, that's so bright. All right, garters and gears, everybody. Welcome aboard to the show. Oh, very good show, very good turnout so far.